Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself, Miss Tahira. I am biology teacher and it's class 9th. Starting the video with the contents of today's lesson. It's Unit 1. Unit name is Introduction to Biology. The topic is Quranic verses related to biology. First Quranic verse is about the importance of water for life. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Waj'alna minal ma'i kulla shay'in hayy. Translation: We made every living thing from water. This verse is taken from Surah Anbiya and verse number 30. It means that life on earth begins with water. Initially, there was nothing on earth except elements. Among elements, hydrogen and oxygen combine together and they form water. And then all the life forms, they originate from water. Water is the most important substance on earth. And our protoplasm, it contains 60 to 70% of water. And protoplasm means the material which is present inside the cell. Beside this, water, it also plays a very important role in our body, like flushing of waste material from the body, regulating body temperature, then transportation of nutrients in the body, and for the digestion of food material. Plants, they also need water for their survival. Without water, a human being cannot survive for more than 3 to 4 days. Without food, a human being can survive for up to 21 days, but without water, none of the organism can survive for more than 3 to 4 days. It means that if there was no water, then there would be no life on earth. So you can imagine the importance of water for life. The second verse, it is about the formation of man. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Khalaqal insana min salsalin kal fakhar. Translation: He made man from clay like the potter. This verse is taken from Surah Rahman, verse number 14. It means Allah has created every man from the clay, just like the potter who makes pots out of clay by his hands. We are created from the dust of earth, and into it we shall have to return. The next verse is about the creation of man. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Summa khalaqnal nutfata alaqatan wa khalaqnal alaqata muzghatan wa khalaqnal muzghata izaman fakasawnal izama lahma. Translation: Then fashioned we the drop a clot, then fashioned we the clot a little lump, then fashioned we the little lump bones, then clotted the bones with flesh. This verse is taken from Surah Al-Mu'minun and verse number 14. And this verse refers to the different stages of development of child in womb of mother, like the initial stage of any new organism is the embryo, and here the embryo is called as a lump, and then after that embryo is developed into bones, and after bones the last stage is flesh. So in this way the creation of a man is completed. The fourth verse, which is about the common origin and modification of life. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Wallahu khalaqa kulla dabbatin min ma'in faminhum man yamshi ala batnihi wa minhum man yamshi ala rijlaini wa minhum man yamshi ala arbahi yakhluqullahu ma yasha'u innallaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. Translation: Allah had created every animal from water. Then some of them creep up over their bellies, others walk on 2 legs, and others on 4. Allah creates what He pleases. This verse is taken from Surah Al-Nur in verse number 45. And in this verse, the common origin of the man is described. And this common origin is the water, means every living organism, either they are animals or the plant, they are created from water. And then after the creation or the common origin, their modifications are described. Like there are some organisms which creep up over their bellies. It means they are reptiles. Others walk on two legs, it means they are human beings, and others on four, it means they are mammals except humans. And this modification of organism, it also support the modern concept of classification. That was about the Quranic verses which are related to biology. Now the exercise question, write down the translation of Quranic verses related to number 1, importance of water for life, number 2, formation of man, and number 3, stages of development of organism. Means you have to write down the translation and with an reference. Reference means the name of the surah and verse number. So just you have to write the translation and its reference. Thank you very much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.